Hello, welcome back to my channel. In my previous videos, I gave the room tour for the 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗚𝗠𝗠𝙠𝙤𝗀 room and the Junior Suite 𝗼𝙢𝗚𝗀𝗀 room. For our last night in the Philippines, we decided to stay in the Presto suite. As soon as you enter the room, there's a powder room on the left. The powder room is actually quite big. There's also a bidet and a hairdryer in there. On the right is the first bedroom with a queen-sized bed. It also has a TV, a desk, an open wardrobe with a safe, weighing scale, and 2 complimentary bathrobes and slippers. The Presto suite has a kitchen with a fridge, stove and hood, a sink, kettle, microwave, and a high table with bar stools. The cupboards are also stocked with pots, pans, cooking utensils, and plates. Unlike the bathrooms in the previous rooms we stayed in, the main bathroom in the Presto suite has a hot tub. The Presto suite also has a 6-seater dining table and a living area with a TV that opens to the balcony. The master bedroom with a king-sized bed also has an open wardrobe with a safe, a weighing scale, bathrobes and slippers. There's another TV in this room with a desk, and the bedroom also opens to the balcony. The balcony is where the private swimming pool is. It's quite spacious and it also has an outdoor table and chairs. It even has a beautiful view of the roof deck pool and the view of the city. Most of the rooms in Coro Hotel don't require you to pay a pet fee, but because there's a private pool in the Presto suite, you are required to pay a once-off 1,000 peso pet fee on top of the refundable 4,000 peso deposit you can get back after checkout. Our booking with the Presto suite included a complimentary buffet breakfast. The food served differs in the buffet every morning, but they still offer both local and global breakfast cuisines. Pets are only allowed in the balcony area, but if the place is full, they sometimes allow them to dine inside the food hall. It was too cold to swim at night in the pool, so we decided to go in the morning instead.
Good boy, good boy.
Is a pet-friendly hotel, but pets aren't allowed in the public swimming pool on the roof deck. Mochi wanted to join us and swim in the pool, but we weren't sure if he was allowed. We didn't ask the hotel staff if pets can swim in the private pool, but because they weren't allowed in the public pool, we just assumed he wouldn't be allowed in the private pool in the Presto suite. Because he wanted to swim, we just carried him over the water and let him swim in the air. We really enjoyed our one-night stay here in the Presto suite. In fact, we really enjoyed our overall stay here in Coro Hotel. We stayed in this hotel for a total of 5 days, in different rooms and on different dates. I will leave the links to the videos of our previous stays in the 𝗕𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗠𝗠𝙠𝙤𝗀 room and in the Junior Suite 𝗼𝙢𝗚𝗀𝗀 room in the description box below. Presto Suite was our favorite room out of all the rooms we stayed in Coro Hotel. Although it's quite pricey compared to the other rooms, the price of the Presto Suite was worth it. I highly recommend staying in the Presto Suite if you have the budget for it. But regardless of which room we booked, our overall experience with Coro Hotel was exceptional. I would rate our stay a total of 5 out of 5 stars. Our stay was made beyond exceptional thanks to the friendly and helpful staff in the hotel. Despite the location, we felt extremely safe thanks to the doormen. They helped us book grab pets and taxis, as well as helping us with our bags every time we got out of the car. The staff at the reception were also very helpful. They helped us move rooms, they helped us with our laundry, and they helped us organize our van transfer to the airport. Not being biased, but I only have positive things to say about Coro Hotel. Our trip to the Philippines was made more memorable because of our stay here.